All Pro Gutter Guards offers expert gutter guard replacement services in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, ensuring your home's gutter system functions efficiently year-round. With years of industry experience, our gutter guard replacement experts specialize in removing outdated, clogged, or ineffective gutter guards and replacing them with long-lasting, high-performance solutions that prevent debris buildup and water damage. Please contact our gutter guard replacement if you have any questions. Are you looking for a gutter guard replacement near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Gutter Guards. Do gutter guards need to be replaced? After roughly a year, you will see that the metal and screen have rusted from dirt and biological waste. Once the gutter guard becomes clogged with dirt, homeowners will have to invest in entirely new covers, making this solution less than ideal. Do micro-mesh gutter guards work? Micro-mesh gutter guards, and gutter guards in general, are frequently worth the investment due to their durability. Stainless steel, in instance, will not rust and can survive for 20 years or more. What is your service area for the Exton, Pennsylvania service office? Our gutter guard replacement serves the following: Harrisburg, Millersburg, Dauphin, Harrisburg, Elizabethville, Pillow, Highspire, Halifax, Middletown, Lykens, Wiconisco, Gratz, Hummelstown, Grantville, Hershey, Elizabethtown, Palmyra, Campbelltown, Lawn, Dauphin County, Pennsylvania. Where is your Harrisburg, Pennsylvania gutter guard replacement office located? We are located at 2225 Sycamore Street, Harrisburg, Pennsylvania 17111. Our phone number is 610-439-9731. Visit our website, www.appgutterguards.com/Harrisburg-PA.